All right, good morning. Okay, so we are here at CoCoCay today, finally. Last time we were on Symphony of the Sea for Christmas. We got here, but the wave was too rough, so the ship cannot, get to the port. So we did not get to go, but now, today, we finally get to go to CoCoCay. We do have a, I guess you call it excursion at the beach club. So we'll be heading out there, and we do have a lunch reservation today. So yeah, we will show you what's look like and the food, okay? Yeah, he just woke up. He's still yawning. This one too. It's kind of early, but hey, who cares? We're here, right?
Perfect day at CoCoCay.
Yeah.
All right, so for the appetizers, you don't get to choose. They just bring out a little bit of everything. So this is the appetizer here. All right, so this is the appetizer we have right here, pretty much. And this is the view of the restaurant at the beach club. All right, so our lunch is here. I ordered the Bahamian lobsters, and this is the real prawns here, which is about a shrimp size. And it comes with fries, ketchup and stuff. Madison, she got the filet mignon, and Marshall also got the filet mignon with French fries. My mother ordered the same thing as I did. She got the lobsters, the real lobsters, and the prawns right here. Wow, I think it's good.
Holy crap, the steak has a lot of...
Yeah, it's a pretty good size. Look at that. The lobster is about this size. Pretty good size. Okay, so for dessert, I got the rum cake, Bahama rum cake, and Marshall got the chocolate brownie. It's really good. All right, so for tonight dinner, we're at the Hook Seafood Restaurant. And then this is the menu they have for dinner. And then this is the, I guess the cocktail menu also, if you want. All right, so for appetizer, I got the soft shell crab, the baked oysters. My mother got the crab and clam chowders, New England style. Me and Madison, we would share the oysters. She got the raw oysters here, and Marshall got the crab cake.
Maryland crab cake.
Right here, Maryland crab cake. That looks good. Actually.
It does. It looks...
All right, let's dig in for the appetizers. And of course, we get a special biscuit that they give to us. All right, so I'm gonna try either one here.
Now you want to try mine? We're sharing.
Okay, yeah, it's pretty good.
You want one?
Yeah, sure. We'll take the oysters.
Do you want the vinaigrette?
Sure, vinaigrette sounds good.
Red wine vinaigrette?
Yeah, let's do that. The red wine vinaigrette. All right.
I don't know if that's enough.
That's good. Marshall's devouring his crab cake.
Put this on yours too, Bastard.
All right, and I am going to eat the soft shell crab right here. Really good. You dip in the tartar sauce. All right, so for tonight's dinner, my mom got the Maine lobsters, 2 pounds. And this is
seafood platter.
Marshall, what do you order?
The royal seafood platter.
Marshall ordered the boy seafood platter.
Royal.
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 Oh, loyal.
Royal.
I'm sorry. Marshall had full mouth. He said royal seafood platter, which is pretty much everything's fried.
Dad, my mouth is empty.
Okay, so for my dinner, I got the surf and turf, medium rare, and Madison got the, what did you call it, Madison?
Captain's plate platter.
Captain what?
Potter.
Captain Potter, which is like
Captain Splatter. Splatter.
Oh, Captain Platter. What does it have? Lobsters?
Lobster. These are tiger prawn shrimp.
Tiger prawn.
And then fish.
And fish. Okay. All right. That's pretty good. And then this one is the mac and cheese for Marshall on the side. As always.
Lobster mac and cheese.
Lobster mac and cheese. That looks good. All right. So for dessert, I got the coconut pie. Madison had what?
A lemon tart.
Lemon tart, and Marshall got the brownie, but we didn't realize the brownie had nuts, so Marshall cannot eat that one because he's allergic to peanuts.
Sounds like there's a lot of Dramamine out there. I'm not quite sure, but we're very happy you could join us here. It is opening night here for us inside the Royal Theatre. It's a very special moment because for the first time in front of paying audiences, we get to perform this spectacular show for you. So I hope you're excited about that because opening night and closing night are the two most special moments of any contract for any cast. And it's the one that they remember the most. And so with that in mind, are you ready? Great. Allow me to tell you a little bit about the show, just so you can have a better understanding. I was just explaining to some guests right around the corner there that I worked on the Symphony in 2019, and on that ship we had hairspray. Yes, and some people had seen that, right? So just a little bit of facts. Of that show in 2019, we auditioned 1,100 people for that show, and we took 23.
Wow.
Okay. We employ 1,500 or so Royal Caribbean singers and dancers for this show here today because it was so important and so special being on the flagship of the fleet, the newest ship. They selected the 6 best vocalists that we had in our repertoire. We selected 6 incredible dancers that you will see up here on stage, and together they will perform what you're about to see. And the show is called Voices. Everything is sung with the human voice here tonight. There are no instruments, there are no bands. There are people who you're going to see on the screens who emulate the sounds of instruments with their mouths. And of course, then you'll have our powerhouse vocalists up here on the main stage. It was a big hit in the first show, and we're excited to share it with you here tonight. So we truly hope you're ready. It is all about music, technology, but most importantly, people. And the creme de la creme are here tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy Royal Caribbean Productions' Voices.
Voices. Sounds made using the vocal folds for talking, laughing, crying, and singing. All that you are about to hear is created by the human voice.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. Dum dum ding dum dum ding dum dum. There is no life, I know nothing to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. Imagination, it's difficult these days, but the zoo landscape
landscape of online technology has provided a fresh connection for voices to connect and share dreams. Believe it's what's saving. And you get lost in a daydream. But we've lost our way. We've been led astray. Are there better days? My fallen dreamer. Fallen dreamer.
Now, the normal band will break tonight because our show Voices is accompanied by voices.
So let's start with the rhythm section. Courtney here is on drums. Amazing. Rhythm is key, and we call it vocal percussion.
Or VP in the biz.
But on the street, we call it beatbox.
Hey, this is our other drummer. Oh, he keeps the street in the mix. I think he's hot.
Together, these two make up the drums. All the bells and whistles with just their mouths.
I have no clue what he's doing with his mouth right there. Oh yeah, he's definitely hot. Now, before we go any further, here is our music producer, Mr. Peter Hollis.
Oh, and next up is my favorite, the band soprano, Evan. Oh, come on, guys, you gotta admit.
Dude, you are so crushing on Evan.
Shut up, you look, she can't hear you.
Think she just did.
What? Oh, hi, Evan.
Folks, our soprano and Peter's wife, the beautiful Mrs. Evan Hollins.
So, Evan, you guys warmed up? Peter?
Well, that was enthusiastic. Okay, Peter, on this next pass, let's break it down for the folks. We begin with a simple voice recording.
Then we mix in a little studio magic. And we're ready for our vocal band. Let's add the mezzos and the tenors.
Add the bass.
Nice.
Add the altos and baritones.
The vocal pad.
Add some atmosphere voices. Then we have our band, our singers, our dancers, and our dreamers. Just a little bit of pure imagination.
A dreamer.
Call me a dreamer. Yeah. Call me a dreamer. You don't sleep no more. Dream no more. Dreamer. Why don't you just dream again? And now, ladies and
A
gentlemen,
historical pictorica.
okay, calm down there, fancy pants. We bring you vocal groups through the decades.
From barbershop to bebop.
Just shut up and sing.
Hey, fellows!
My light arose, I'm home again, rose to get the sun back in the sky. My light arose, oh, won't you be mine?
Mr. Sandman, I'm all alone. Don't have nobody to call my own. Please turn on your magic beam. Mr. Sandman, bring us, please, 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 Mr. Sandman, bring us a Who loves you, pretty baby? Who's gonna help you through the night? Who loves you, pretty mama? Who's always there
and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair.
Plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, you cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes the rainbow. Maybe the reason all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to your perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, oh, your heart will glow, and when it's time, you know the light, it let it shine. Just know
just keeping time. I'm hanging around in sleepy towns forever. Back roads empty for miles. Now you can't have a dream and cut it to fit. But when I saw you, I knew we'd go together. Like a wink and a smile. We'd go together like a wink and a smile. Now my heart is music. It's such a simple song. Sing it again, the notes never end. But this is where I belong. Just the sound of your voice, the light in your eyes. We're so far away from yesterday together. Like a wink and a smile. We go together like a wink and a smile. Oh yeah. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music. Oh, listen to the music all the Once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still wasn't blinded. Though my mind could think, I still wasn't madman. I hear voices when I'm dreaming. I can hear them say, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going de moi, je vois la vie en rose. C'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit le jour pour la vie. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always Just one voice singing in the darkness. All it takes is one voice singing so they hear what's on your mind. And when you look around, you'll find there's more than one voice.
Singing in the darkness, joining in that one voice. Each and every note and our joy and fears are
One voice to start it on its own. We need just one voice facing the unknown, and then that one voice will never be alone. We need just one voice.
There's got to be things that people find inspiring and make life worth living.
For there was always light if only we're brave enough to be it.
just one voice singing in the darkness. All it takes is one voice. Shout out and let it ring. Just one voice. It takes just one voice. Everyone will sing. Everyone will
Ladies and gentlemen, voices!